Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Vicky's Frames. So today there is a wonderful bike ride to Rock Richard Cafe. So we will be leaving there. So today it's early morning 5 a.m. and we'll be gathering together in the Royal Enfield showroom. All the members will be gathering over there, and once everyone are available, then we'll be leaving to the destination. So it will be a very good ride, and there will be few rules and regulations need to be followed. Please do watch my complete video, and let's go into my video. So here we almost reached near the showroom. Here almost there are 5 to 6 members will be joining here, and here is our head Harsha. So here he's explaining the rules and regulations, what need to be followed and what not to be followed, and there is few signals which need to be taken care, and there will be few stoppings that we have to stop in between and have a few chilling time over there, and then we will be leaving to our destination. So this is the first ride of me where I'm meeting Harsha, and we'll be leaving from here. And right now the time is 6 a.m. I'm ready to pack myself. Yeah, so we are ready. So it will be fun to ride and all the riders together. Yeah, here my gloves are on and I'm checking all my proper fit. I'll be putting the map to the destination. Any which ways the Harsha is the one who will be leading us, but the safer side it will be better if you put the map and road map. We can check the locations and we can follow the as they guided along with them also. Yes, let's go. It will be fun guys, so please watch complete video, and I will show the end point Rock Richard Cafe where we'll be reaching, and we'll have some breakfast and chill in the cafe. So we started our ride in Kalyan Nagar Royal Enfield showroom. Here there are around 6 riders who gathered together, and we just left, and from here we will be leading to Indiranagar and we will be reaching to Electronic City. So there are few good vibes and view which you can see in Electronic City. So it's a best experience to have a ride. So whoever wants to start up with a moto riding, please do it, and it will be a very good vibe and a very good experience, and that too in this weather. So in between I would like to say that this is my first voiceover, so it might be a little bit clumsy, but yeah, please do support and share the video, and also do subscribe to my video. So any which ways, until we don't do anything, we cannot learn anything. So it's better you experience all the good things and continue doing that. So right now we are leading towards Indiranagar. So here it's a 6:15 time, 6:15 a.m. and from here we will be covering to Electronic City, and there will be a toll. After crossing the toll, there will be 2 more riders who will be joining us. Yeah, तो guys आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे रोड कितना मस्त लग रहा है और वाइब भी बहुत अच्छा है. All the riders we can view here. तो ये जो फील है एकदम मस्त फील है. तो जिसको भी मोटो राइडिंग करना है प्लीज़ गो एंड डू इट, और मेरे वीडियो को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर देना. Yes, so finally we reached near Electronic City. यहाँ से Electronic City highway will be leading, and here you can see the sunrise, which is a beautiful view from here. वीडियो में तो नॉर्मल लग रहा है, but when you feel while riding, the vibe is totally different. And here we made a first stopping so that all the riders are gathered together. तो मैं छोटे नोट में ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि ऐसे बहुत सारे वीडियोस मेरे अपलोड होंगे which is related to moto vlogging to a different destinations. I'll be posting that too, and उसके अलावा और कोई नया एडवेंचर जहाँ भी मैं जाऊँगा उसका वीडियोस पोस्ट होंगे. So please do subscribe and watch the video complete, and need your support. So continuing from here, so this is the vibe, and from here we will be leaving to Electronic City highway. Yeah, so this is the highway. If you can see, there is a beautiful sunrise which is very nice. I loved it. मजे आ गए यहाँ पे राइड करके, which is very nice. यार देखो, बातों में तो बड़बड़ करने का तो बहुत है, बट जो वाइब जो मिल रहा है ना, उसका तो बहुत ही मजा है. The amazing feeling with all our riders. You can see, friend, there are our riders who's traveling, and along with us there are few more riders from the different part. They also joined us, so all together it makes a fun. So from here, almost I think 5 to 6 kilometers, there will be a electronicity highway, and as soon we got down, there will be a toll where we will meet 2 more riders. So from there we will be leaving towards our destination. We will be taking a break in between too. Yeah, initially मेरे को ऐसे बाइक राइड्स में ज़्यादा मज़े नहीं थे, because I was a bit scared. But when you start experiencing like this beautiful things, start from the small ride and take a lead to a longer ride, then you will experience how beautiful the weather is and how beautiful the vibe. Yeah, here we reached the toll. Yeah, here our head Harsha has stopped so that the 2 other riders will be joining us. So that we have to make sure all the riders are together. और यहाँ से हम एक साथ to the destination निकलेंगे. So here we have stopped in the highway. I don't know the exact name of the road, but yeah, there is a small chai shop where all our riders stopped and have a sutta or chai. It gives a good feel, and from here I'll be heading towards the destination. शक्ल तो नहीं दिखेगा because I am wearing helmet, but yeah, safety is first. So we are almost near to the cafe. This is the empty road that we are traveling. यार एक बात तो सही है कि रोड का जो वे है, that is very nice and smooth. So finally we reached to our Rock Rigid Cafe. यहाँ पे all the riders, Royal Enfield riders, will be parking their vehicles. Along with us there are few more riders from different parts, like sports bike and super bikes. So I'll be showing them too. Yeah, you can see here there are our riders bike, which is Royal Enfield 450, GT, Himalaya, and again GT, and here comes a Meteor 350. And यहाँ से हम गए inside, we'll be removing our jackets and helmets in the rack. This cafe is properly for bike riders, and come and please experience this place, a wonderful place. मेरा शक्ल तो सही नहीं है, बट प्लीज़ देख के मज़े करना. I've taken a coffee, had my breakfast and taking a little bit coffee. Here is Arasha who is smoking. यहाँ पे थोड़े बहुत फन भी हो जाते हैं. I played a carom over here just for a fun. And after having a good breakfast and coffee, here is a guide who will be taking an off-road in the same premises. He'll be explaining about the roads and how to ride and how to take care of our vehicle. यहाँ से मेरा off-roading शुरू होता है. This is a properly off-roading route, just to experience how it feel and how you have to take care of your vehicle when there is a sudden off-roading comes. So this is a good experience what they gave us. See, एक बात तो है, सभी बाइक्स यहाँ पे नहीं चल पाएंगे, but just for an experience you can try this. You can see all the riders are going in the front. So here the basically is how you have to handle your bike during the off-road. Like when you go to a long ride, off-roading ride, you need a small experience before going there, how you have to handle your bike and how you to take care of it. So this is a perfect experience that it gives you. देखो, off-roading तो मेरे को मज़ा नहीं लगता, but ये तो बड़ा सही लगा experience करके. और after completing that off-roading vibe, and we come to the same place, everyone gathered over here, and from here we'll have a small discussion and we'll be leaving to our home back. चलो, यहाँ से अपना डेस्टिनेशन ख़त्म और यहाँ से निकलेंगे रिटर्न टू आवर होम. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो गुड एक्सपीरियंस. यहाँ से हम एक मीट करेंगे इन बिटवीन, विल चिल आउट देयर, एंड फ्रॉम देयर विल बी लिविंग बैक टू आवर होम. सो फाइनली जो भी एक्सपीरियंस आपने देखा है वो एकदम मज़ेदार था. प्लीज़ डू वॉच माई कंप्लीट वीडियो, और ऐसे ही बहुत सारे वीडियोज़ आएंगे. प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करना, शेयर करना, डू लाइक. यस, रिटर्न जाते समय थोड़ा गर्मी तो बढ़ गई यार यहाँ पे. जो कुछ भी हो, प्लीज़ डोंट रिमूव योर ग्लोव्स एंड हेड गियर, सो विच इज़ मस्ट एंड नेसेसरी until you completed your ride. So that is for your safety. Yes, finally we are stopping here, which is before I think this is near Bomsandra. So we'll be gathering here and we'll be chill out with all the riders. Once all the riders are here, we'll be heading towards our own home. We'll be dispersing from here. Finally, the ride was very nice. The vibe was very good. मजे तो आ गए आज के राइड में. So finally we'll be leaving from here. Thank you so much to watch my video. ऐसे ही बहुत सारी वीडियोस के लिए प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना. Thank you so much for your time and support. This is Vicky, Vicky's Frame. Bye guys.